Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss a linear data structure called as linked list data structure. So we will discuss the definition and one by one operations of linked list. So now what is a linked list? You know what is a list? List is nothing but a set of elements, na? Set of elements or collection of elements. You can say it as collection of elements. That is list. Linked list. Linked list. Why the name linked list? So link between the elements. Link between the elements. Link between the elements is nothing but a pointer is present between the elements. And in linked list, the elements are stored in the form of nodes. Now, I am repeating it again, students. Please listen carefully. So, now what is a list? List is nothing but collection of elements or set of elements. So, in linked list, an element is represented in the form of a node. So, how a node is represented? A node is represented like this. A node is represented like this. Okay. Now, like that, set of elements means set of nodes. Like this, set of nodes. What is this? So, this is called as a list. Okay. Then, what is linked list? Link present between. This is called as link. This is called as link. Link between the nodes. If you observe, link here, it is nothing but like a pointer. Pointer. So, pointer present between these two nodes. Pointer present between these two nodes. That's why the name called as linked list. Coming to complete definition of linked list. Now, what is the definition of linked list? Linked list is a collection of nodes. Collection of nodes. Collection of nodes and link between the nodes. And there is a link between the nodes present in the list. Present in the list. Present in the list. Okay. So now what are the operations performed in linked list? Generally in any data structure, the common operations performed are insertion, deletion and search. Okay. So now what is a node in linked list? What is a node in linked list? So node is represented like this, consisting of two partitions. Node consisting of two partitions. One is data partition and another one is next partition. Next partition is nothing but stores an address. Stores an address of next node. Stores an address of next node is called or is represented as a node. So node consisting of how many partitions? Two partitions. One is data partition and another one is a pointer. What is a pointer? Which stores some address now. Here this pointer stores address of next node. So now for example, now I want to represent, take one example. I want to represent a single linked list for these elements 10, 5, 8, 16, 14 and 7. These are the elements. Now I want to represent in the form of linked list. So now linked list representation. Now here. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements are there now. So represent 6 nodes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the first partition of each node? Data partition. So the data partition, here it is. First one is 10, 5, 8, 16, 14, 7. Now pointer between the nodes present in the list. Now pointer between the nodes. Pointer is represented like this. Point. Okay. And what does it mean? So what this next represents? 10's next is 5. That next. 5's next is 8. 8's next is 16. 16 next is 14. 14's next is 17. And there is no node after 7. Na? So this is the last node. So then what will store in the last node's next pointer? It stores null pointer. For example, now address of each node I am representing. For example, address of this node is 100. Here it is 200. Here it is 300. Some 400, 500, 600. So 100 is the address of 10 node. Now what is 10's next node? 5. What is this address? 200. So 200 will be stored here. That's why this partition is called as next partition, which means stores a pointer or stores address of next node. Stores address of next node. See, 5's next is 8. So how can I refer? How can I go to 8? So by storing 300. So by storing 400. Similarly, 16's next node is 14. Na? So here 500. 14's next is 7 node. What is the address? 600. And this is the last node. There is no node present after 7. So that's why that is called as null pointer. Now, coming to another important point. So in between these two nodes, how many links are there? Only one link present between the nodes. That's why this is called as single linked list. SLL, single linked list. That means here there are different types of linked list. There are different types of linked list like single linked list, double linked list, circular linked list, doubly circular linked list. So the in detailed explanation of these types we will discuss in next videos. So now see just what is a linked list? Collection of nodes present between the, and there is a link present between the nodes present in the list. Generally the operations. So now how can you represent a node? So now especially this is a single linked list. So data partition and pointer to next node. If these are the elements, how to represent the single linked list? This is single linked list. Why? Because only single link, one link present between the nodes. So that's why it is called as what? Single linked list. So hope you understand the basic definition of linked list and the representation of linked list, especially single linked list. Hope you understand, students. If you have any doubt, please post to me your doubt in the comment box. So thank you, students. Have a great day. Bye.